brunch making. I'm gonna zhuzh up some croissants as we need to use them up. There is 4 Alton tomato sauce. Hold on. I'm gonna use the grill. I haven't bought anything new. This is all everything from the fridge. Made some pasta the other day, so I opened this tomato sauce thing. So use that up. Take inspo from Pret, which are my favourite croissants, and make 2 cheese and tomato and 2 mustard, ham and cheese. I might actually put a bit of tomato in. I don't want it soupy, so. And there's still plenty of tomato sauce left, so I can use it for pasta for dinner. Really trying to be good here and literally use up what we've got. Still got plenty of that left for another meal. Just do mustard on a few. I do enjoy a bit of mustard and ham. This is English mustard, so you cannot go wild with it because it is spicy. I'm winging it here. Okay, get some ham. And then the cheese, which is a fresh pack of cheese, but we always have a lot of cheese, so I haven't actually needed to get any. This is all just in there. This is a cheese household. And so I think what I'm going to do is put it in like this so the cheese melts, and then close them so the top is a bit crunchy. I need this bigger knife. The ones that are just tomato and cheese, they need way more. Right, I'm gonna put them in the oven like this. I'll leave the grill, I'll leave the grill open so that I can see it if it burns, because it goes very quickly in the grill. While I clean up. Now just to wait. Orange juice. Anyone struggled to find juice? We've been okay. Okay, they're definitely getting very brown on this side, which is the side that goes in. But I'm going to close them now anyway. Back in they go. Nice and brown on top and gooey. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have done a side of mushrooms and spinach. I'm actually going to do that quickly. Let's do this real quick. A bit of oil in, and then I'm going to put butter in, but I don't want the butter to burn, so I'm putting oil in first. I'm going to chop up some garlic. Oh, that's better. This is all not just for me, by the way. I'm going to move it around a lot so I don't want garlic to burn. That is the worst taste. I've also got a bit of butter here. This is unsalted butter just because I had it for baking something. And then this is spinach that's going in the freezer so it keeps for longer. So I'm going to break off a chunk of that. And that's done. That took like 2 seconds. Let me prep the rest. To clear up, let's bring it over to the table. Very quick brunch. That's all for now. Probably meet you at dinner at some point. So yeah, bye. I'm gonna try now. I'm definitely hungry now. Make myself a little snack. And I'm gonna make some soba noodles. When I went to the shop the other day, they were the last ones left. So don't know when I'll have these next. Fill boiling water. Literally just gotta chill there for 4 minutes. So I'm gonna carry on watching Negan's vlog, who I love. What a beauty. Her house is stunning. If you haven't watched her, do. Okay, now take the foil off. And there's like spouts in here. I'm gonna pour the excess water out. We add the sauce, which I'm not gonna be able to open without scissors, I bet. Get as much as you can in there. Mix it all up. And then snack. Promise you I do cook too, but I've been craving these. Okay, I'm done.